All right, today I have Resolve Urine Destroyer. Right here is a urine stain and odor remover. Now this is a product I'm going to use. I'm going to show you how I use it. Right here it says penetrates deep, lift and removes urine stains, neutralizes odor on contact. Now I like to use this right here with the toilet, okay? So you can clean the toilet all you want, but sometimes it still has that urine smell. So that's why I have this. I'm going to try it on here. It says destroys urine odors the first time. And basically what it does is it dissolves, has enzymes in here that dissolves what's causing the odor in urine, or neutralizes the odor. I think it's neutralizing ammonia. I'm not sure, but it neutralizes something, okay? So right here it says, these are instructions on how to do it. They have it mostly for pets because people use this on perhaps surfaces where pets would go do this. It says remove dirt, and it's showing debris picking up, spray and soak, and then wait 5 minutes max. Blot, dry. So they're showing how to get it off of carpets, okay? So it works on people, pets, people, accidents. There's no accident, well maybe it is an accident, but I don't know, things splash on the toilet sometimes and get caught up in there, and you can have that urine smell on it around the commode. It says contains 100% bio-based odor neutralization ingredients to destroy odors on contact. Okay, so here it is. They use this on carpet, but I'm using it right here. Not necessarily on the seat itself, but what I'm doing is behind the seat, areas that it is difficult to clean, like the cracks right here. I spray it on the cracks, not on the seat directly. And then I also do it right here. These areas that are hard to clean, I spray that to help neutralize the odors of the areas that I can't reach. And so with this, I let it soak for like 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes, I will get a cloth and wipe the area right here, wipe it up, and then I'll proceed to clean the toilet like I normally do. All right. So I hope this video was helpful. This is Resolve Urine Destroyer right here. It works really well on parts of the commode. Thanks a lot for watching.